remember actually. Now it's time to nickel and dime everything. Yay, nickel and diming. Nope, not fighting those. Oh, correction, not fighting 2 of those. I have too many silver bullets. He also recommends selling some, because if you're nickel and diming it, you're gonna get a lot of silver bullets, like if you don't use them. They're stunning. They're basically just for stunning. If you have the blunderbuss, you just stun dudes with them. Okay, that's what I got. And it's for stunning special. And then you just take a hit or 2 on them, and then you back up, recharge your endurance bar. Well, in about a half hour or so, after I, nickel and dime a bunch, maybe engage the boss and beat him. Basically, I'm going in with 10 Molotovs, and I'm just going to burn the shit out of him, because Molotovs do so much damage. But yeah, so, in about a half hour, I'll be heading over to Destiny. I have no idea who you're talking about. No, I haven't talked to him since. Remember, we're streaming online. You're not supposed to say names, unless you don't care. But he's Hefe. That's it. That's his name. Oh, Jesus! Jesus Jones! Jesus Jones! What do you want your moniker to be? What do you want me to refer to you as online? Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith it is. Mr. Smith it. Cool. Done. Mr. Smith it. Sing me a song. Make it a good one that I'll always know. Stop forgetting that, man. You know this game is all about that stab, no punching. Straight. There's like a white fog at the end of the bridge, you run straight to that fog and you hit it. Past the giant guy. Past the giant guy. I gaggle it through. Yeah, you see it now? That's it. Yeah, imagine going up against that. I mean, not knowing he's supposed to be there. Like, not, obviously you didn't know he was supposed to be there, but you knew he was the boss. I didn't know anything. I just ran, and He's a mini boss? For realsies? Like, that is disgusting. Stop burning me! Yeah. But okay, by doing that now, you'll have a singing bell thing. A bell. Yeah, you'll have, like, you'll notice you'll have one eye thing in the top right. And when you go back to the Spectre, there'll be like a spirit thing you gotta talk to, and you'll get it from that. Oh, the doll? Yeah, that's the doll, dude. That's a doll. It's now moving, yeah, because it's being possessed by some entity. But it levels you up. In the top left, it'll show you how much echoes you need for a level, and then you put it into one of your stats. Yep. It's got some good holy shit. It's got some good shit tonight. You're not wanted here. Yeah. Yep. You buy your upgrades. You put at top right. It'll show you how much for your next level, and you put it into one of your stats. And each stat you upgrade is one level. Well, you are playing a Demon Souls game. Yeah, I didn't play it. Right, back to it, and it is. Yeah, as I said, I wouldn't recommend fighting him. I would recommend waiting. You're gonna send two at me? Guy over here. Okay. Because yeah, it does. You kind of gotta time them. Yeah, they do. Yep, it's all about the dodge, no hitting. 10 Molotovs, a bunch of gun shells, and like a shit ton of dodging should do it. Fighting the beast again. Why aren't you gonna do that? Crazy? Cause you're crazy? Yeah, I get that. I found a way to fight that mob pretty decently. Possibly. I know it jumps. Yeah, I don't know really how to fight it. Just stay back, throw things at it, run in, get a hit, dodge, 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 dodge. Have a lot of blood echoes. Like, I think I had 20 when I went in there. And I think I had 0 when I died, and he was down to 3/4. Yeah, they probably won't. So, just from fighting it normally? Just fighting it normally? Jesus. Well done, sir. Yeah. Kinda does. Ow. So I dealt with the mob.